teach you a step-by-step on how to register as our publisher, and hopefully you could cope. Just easy registration, just you guys can start earn money from our advertisers. Alright, so don't waste our time, let's start.
So here is the official website of ACCESSTRADE, and since you see our domain is accesstrade.global because we are a global company started from Japan, and we branch out to a few Southeast Asia countries like Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, and of course Malaysia. So how to register as publisher in Malaysia? So make sure that you go to accesstrade.global/my. Alright, or you can just go from accesstrade.global and then click on Malaysia flag, and it will go to the same page. Just go straight to the publisher sign up and click here, right? And it will be appeared as this. So it's either as individual or as corporation. Then put in your site name, site URL, email, password, and that's it. So what is your site name? Site name is considered as your ID or what you want to be called as. For example, for me, I put Nora as my site name. You can even put whatever your Facebook or Instagram or blog name as, say, Malaysia Coupon, for example. So this will be your site name. So for example, your Instagram or Facebook is I am cute. Alright, so just write your site name here. Whatever you want your name to be appeared as, just write it here. Use your own preferences. So site URL is the URL that will lead to your social media accounts or website or YouTube channel, whatever platform you want to use. Okay. Say for now you want to use Facebook, you just copy this link, this URL, and then paste it here. If you want to go for Instagram, so you just copy this link and then you paste it here as well. So say if you are using your website, you just copy this link and paste it. So make sure the link is the right URL so that when the advertiser wanted to check out on your site, they can even go directly. So say you just try to copy and paste it here, and then you try it again. Make sure it is accessible straight to your site. Okay. Alright, that's it. You have done your name, you have done your URL, and write your email here, and create a password, and you are ready to sign up.
Okay, thank you so much for spending your time. Hopefully you guys could cope with all the guidelines. If you have any questions, just ask us. Following all our updates in Facebook group ACCESSTRADE Malaysia Affiliate Community, and as well our YouTube channel ACCESSTRADE Academy Malaysia. Alright, see you in the next round, and bye.